Good evening once again. It's Jeff back with KitterCards.com. Tonight, single box break, 2012 Topps Magic Football. We've already randomed the names and the teams. Everybody know who has what. So let's start cracking the wax. Good luck to everybody. Let's pull something awesome out of here tonight. Appreciate everybody joining us tonight. Make sure to check out the website, KitterCards.com. Got a bunch of new listings out there for the month. Everything releasing with the next 30 days or so, the month of March, we've got listed. Some really nice products coming out in baseball and football. Guys, looks like we've got a Relic Mini. Looks like we've got a Relic Mini. Haven't seen one of those yet. Wonder if it's going to be autographed. Yeah, because this is the last pile we're going to go through too, so just have to hang with us. All right, guys, let's start going through the stack. Make sure we got enough so everybody can see them. There we go. Check that out. Third card in. Isaiah Pead auto for the Rams. Rams goes to Michael W. Congratulations, Michael. Not numbered. Supernatural Stars, Arian Foster. It's a mini Antonio Brown for the Steelers. Black bordered mini, Janoris Jenkins for the Rams. Check this out. Cam Newton numbered relic. 12 of 25. for the Panthers. Very cool. Black swatch. 12 of 25 for the Panthers. Panthers. That's Kidder Cards has the Panthers. It's one of those spots not filled tonight. There's a mini for Anquan Bolden. A Whedon rookie. Magical Moments, DeMarco Murray with the Cowboys. Mini Tommy Streeter for the Ravens. Finish up stack 1 here. Supernatural Stars, Ben Roethlisberger with the Steelers. Andy Dalton mini for the Bengals. Andrew Luck rookie for the Colts. There's a 48 mini, Von Miller for the Broncos. Brandon Whedon, rookie enchantment for the Browns. Here's a mini numbered for the Titans, 40 of 50. Nate Washington. Nice hit for the Titans. Goes to Jason R. Congratulations. D'Amico Ryans mini for the Eagles. Charismatic combos with the Lions, Matthew Stafford and Calvin Johnson. Andre Johnson mini for the Texans. David Wilson rookie. And that is stack 1. Stack 2. Coby Fleener autograph for the Colts. Brian H. Congratulations. Coby Fleener auto. Not numbered. Supernatural Stars, Brandon Marshall with the Bears. Alex Smith mini with the 49ers. Soon to be the Chiefs when they complete that trade. Magical Moments for the Saints. Drew Brees. Titus Young mini for the Lions. Ahmad Bradshaw mini for the Giants. Okay, does not want to focus. Ryan Tannehill, rookie enchantment for the Dolphins. Adrian Peterson mini for the Vikings. Supernatural Stars, Calvin Johnson for the Lions. Grab the last stack on stack 2. So Aaron Rodgers mini, the Packers. The Tim Tebow mini with the Jets. Foles rookie. Aaron Hernandez mini with the Patriots. Magical moments with the Giants. Eli Manning. A.J. Jenkins mini with the 49ers. Joe Montana. And that is stack 2. Grab stack 3. Actually, let's save that till the end. Let's move that one down. Okay. Michael Floyd. Okay. That one just jumped out of there. So Aaron Rodgers, 48 mini. Stuck to the back of the other card. Just fell right out. Damian Williams for the Titans mini. Charismatic combos for the Packers, Greg Jennings and Aaron Rodgers. Urlacher mini for the Bears. Supernatural stars for the Packers, Greg Jennings. Brian Quick, rookie mini for the Rams. RG3 rookie. Magical moments, Jared Allen for the Vikings. Brandon Whedon mini rookie for the Browns. Alright, let's grab this last stack. Mike Thomas. There's a Mark Barron rookie enchantment with the Buccaneers. Rob Gronkowski with the Patriots mini. Check this out for the Redskins. Alfred Morris, rookie auto. Robert M., congratulations. Awesome hit for Robert. Alfred Morris, rookie auto. Beautiful signature there too. Very nice. It's not numbered. The Supernatural stars, Chris Johnson for the Titans. AJ Hawk mini for the Packers. Rookie enchantment for the 49ers, A.J. Jenkins. T.Y. Hilton mini for the Colts. Alright, let's see what this thick mini here is. We've got a Dexter McCluster mini with the Chiefs. Let's see what this is. It's a Drew Brees Gridiron Coins for the Saints. Numbered 7 of 10. Wow. Check this out. Gridiron Coins, Drew Brees for the Saints. 7 of 10. Michael W. has the Saints. Congratulations. The coin is a 2002 Looks like Louisiana quarter. Keeps moving inside there. 2002 Louisiana quarter for New Orleans. Authentic coin. 7 of 10. Very neat. Very cool hit there. Congratulations, Michael W. on the gridiron coin for the Saints. And that's it for our break. And we will be right back.